Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through fixing a black screen on your Asus laptop when the computer's already powered on. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. Let's start with the absolute quickest fix first, as your laptop might just be low on power or have the screen brightness turned completely down. Go ahead and grab your charger, plug it securely into a wall outlet, and connect it to your laptop to ensure it has plenty of power. Next, hold down the FN key near the bottom left of your keyboard and tap the F5 key a few times to increase the display brightness, which actually resolves this issue for a surprisingly large number of people. If your screen is still completely dark, especially right after you sign in to Windows, your graphics driver might simply be frozen. So let's quickly restart it using a built-in keyboard shortcut. Simply press the Windows key, the Control key, the Shift key, and the letter B all at the exact same time. You should immediately hear a quick beep and see the screen flash for a second, which means the driver is resetting, and your display should pop right back up. If you are still staring at a blank screen, we need to drain any trapped static electricity inside the laptop's motherboard by performing a hard reset. And don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal files. First, press and hold down your laptop's physical power button until you hear the computer completely shut down and the fans stop. Next, unplug your charger and absolutely any other USB drives, mice, or external devices connected to your computer so it is completely bare. Now press and hold that power button down firmly for at least 40 straight seconds to squeeze out all the excess power, and then let go. Finally, plug only your charger back in and press the power button once to turn the laptop back on normally and see if the Asus logo appears. Lastly, if your screen suddenly went black while you were actively using it, but you can still see your white mouse cursor moving around, the Windows Explorer process likely just crashed, so let's force it to restart. Press the Control, Shift, and Escape keys all together to instantly open up your Windows Task Manager. Once that window opens up on your screen, scroll down through the active list until you find the folder icon named Windows Explorer. Simply right-click directly on Windows Explorer, select Restart from the drop-down menu, and your taskbar and desktop should immediately refresh and appear. And that's it. You now know how to fix an Asus laptop that turns on but has a black screen. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.